Hi, my name is Penny Krieger. This is a lovely young lady that works at my shop, and another, we're not going to name names here, but they're going to show you today. This is a video on a subject face, see if we have a pop-up, on what are called pop-ups. So we have to go down really close to see what a pop-up is. It's where the wool has kind of unwound and is sticking up. You gotta hold it up, face, so I can see it. Hold it. Okay, there is a pop-up. Now, this is how you trim a pop-up. You take a pair of scissors, hold it with one hand, trim it with the other. Okay, I wanna watch this. And then just keep it the same length. Good. And then put that to the side. Do we have any more pop-ups on this rug? Okay, there's one. Hold it up until it's ready. Okay, hold on. Don't wait for me. Wait. There you go. Trim. Any more down here? So this is this rug is woven with hand-spun wool. This is actually undyed wool, and it's really beautiful there. Okay. Now, while we're here, I'm going to also show you. Go ahead and open that. How a rug looks when it's hand woven. Give you more information on identifying it. So I'm going to go as close as I can down here. See those little knots on the lower edge of the red? Okay, let me hold still so it can focus. Yeah. Okay, so these knots are right there, and they're all tied one by one by hand. One by one by hand, exactly. Okay, see that red thread? That's a weft. After the weaver ties the knots, she inserts a weft side by side. And the reason the weft on this rug is red is because the Kashgai weavers, that's a Persian tribal weaving group in Iran, wove this rug. And they're the original weavers of Persian gabes. And this is a very charming gabe with the undyed wool, but this rug is not for sale. It's part of my personal collection. Okay, do we have any more pop-ups? Let's see, girls. Okay, here we go. Let me do a close-up. Don't cut it yet. Okay, there's a pop-up. There you go. It's not a big deal. Good quality hand-spun wool also oftentimes has pop-ups, and you don't see them on machine-spun wool. You do see them on hand-spun wool. And let's just do one more close-up on our knots, how to identify an Oriental rug. A handmade rug always has knots. There we are again. The light's a little off. There we go. See the knots tied one by one. And then there's the red weft. Okay, hopefully, and just to let you know, we have beautiful rugs here for sale. So I'll just do a quick little run through. What do we have on the wall? Okay, here's more beautiful rugs at Paradise Oriental Rugs. Always promoting. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you very much, ladies. If you like this video, please like below and subscribe to my channel.